Alright guys, day 2's in the bag. Actually, it's kind of like day 1.5. We came out Monday night. What'd you say?
Nothing.
What'd you say?
I have to get water out there.
No, water's in there. More like a day and a half. Found out last night that the... You're good?
He's looking at you.
Why the hell would I have it looking that way?
Mm-hmm.
Found out yesterday that the microphone was cutting out because of the rain. Which, that's what I was saying earlier. I didn't know what it was going to sound like the first time I ever used them. So there's some footage I'm not going to be able to post. But what I will do is go back and speed through it. What's wrong with you? You got to sneeze? Sneeze.
I don't want to sneeze on your footage.
Who cares? Made some tea this morning. We got everything else cleaned up. And of course it's raining again. It's supposed to turn to snow later on. So hopefully we can salvage what I got footage-wise. It's always something.
Always a learning process.
Hmm?
A learning process.
It is. It is. My tea's good though. But, yep, as you can see, it's the, I don't know how good you can see it, but it's raining again. So. She's brushing teeth. I'm using a different microphone this morning, and what we found out using that one is it's kind of quiet. So hopefully you heard everything I just said. If not, then I don't have any good footage here either. It's alright. It happens. But yes, my turn for... I'm going to finish my tea first. We'll put it there. That's gross.
Yeah.
Right here.
Get black stuff all over my face.
Sure don't. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is figure out what we're going to do the rest of the day and probably try to edit some of the stuff up. Alright, well, I got the rest of that cut up, good to go. So what I'm going to do now is, oh goodness, man, it's wet. Hopefully I can get this cattail without falling in the pond here. Oh, hey, look at there. There's one right on the edge. So tired of rain right now. I wonder how wet these things are going to be. How soaked are you? Oh, you're soaked all the way through. Oh, man. Well, see if I can grab one anyway. See if I can still show you guys how to do this. So, top of cattail. It's pretty wet. But, if it works, I'll show you how to, man. 3 days straight it's been raining. Soaked all the way through. But if I can get it to, sit you back down over here. So the thing is, if I can get it to at least dry out a little bit, hopefully, straighten that out. Oh. Hopefully, you get it to dry out a little bit. Man, it's pretty soaked. So what I'll do is go in and grab my knife and get this cleaned up, and then I'll pop it open and show you how to do it. what I tried to do last time is record with it, but the headset wasn't working, so I'm going to go back and redo it. So what I did was I cut the cattail open, and on the inside of these cattails, really fine fibers. There's a hold a spark like no other. Show you over here too. You already seen this, so I don't know if I really need you then. But what you can do is break this open. Take it, you can actually use this as a tender bundle too, but take it and bust it open, and shoo, man, that wind's moving in. Use that as a fire starter. Let me set this over here out of the way. What I'm going to try to do is actually raining pretty good again, and that wind is cold. I'm going to go down to that fire pit that we made up yesterday and see if I can't get it going. I'm going to wait and see if this rain will let up a little bit first, because as of right now I am kind of stuck, not being able to move. But like I said, as you can see, it's still raining pretty good. Going on 3 days. Yeah, this is the other phone. Say hello. But yeah, I actually have this set up. I took that boom mic off of it. It wasn't working as good as I wanted it to. And with this rain and everything, I doubt it's going to be Pete, it's cold. I doubt it's going to work any better than what it already is. But yeah, here in a few I will try to get that going down in that little fire pit. I'll show you where that is again. Right down there. So, but as you can see, rain's moving in again. Hasn't stopped. But I did get a ton of wood cut. Ooh. Plus I already took a pail in to the cabin, so that way we can at least stay warm in there, go in there and get warmed up. And it's kind of nice having this. I know the last two videos I had the tent and everything, and this might be cheating. Like I said, this was my parents' cabin. But I think we're going to try to, I'm going to talk to my parents about it and see if I can't take this one over when they build the new one. And if they let me do that, then I'm going to have way more videos down here. I would like to add on one that way for extra bunks for the kids. That way when they come out, they can sit down too. Lay down, have their own bed. Just going to have to find another stove. This is actually that solar charger that I bought. This thing is amazing. I don't get paid for it or anything else, but this thing is amazing. It's literally charged both of my phones. That one, the S9 Plus, and the S7. It's charged both of them probably 3 times each now, and on the package it said it only charged them 5 times for one. So it's doing good, and it's just now down to one power cell. So it's doing pretty good. It's doing its job. The little eSky's charging right now. It's a man, everything's getting soaked. It's a weather band radio, which nothing's going on right now weather band wise. But it's a good radio. I like it. FM channels come in good.
Song by Dan. Shop these
for what it is. But like I said, that has a it's a flashlight also. Pretty decent. I like it. I did team up with a couple places. I'm actually going to make a separate video on that. to get you guys a promo code to get 10% off of survival gear and just other gear, period. I know there's a stove on there right now. I'm going to try to talk her into getting it. It's $3.99. Just one of the aluminum stoves. It'll be perfect for what we need it for. But yeah, I'm going to wait for this rain to calm down a little bit and show you how to use that for starting fire. I'm going to try to do this real quick while the rain slowed down a little bit. Ooh. Got kind of a clear spot. For that to go. That burned all the way through there. But, like I said, even though it's wet, it should do what I need it to do. Hopefully. If not, it don't work. It's just too wet. And of course, as soon as I do it, it kicks up. I think it's too wet. It should have already caught. Yeah, it's too wet. Dang it, I really wanted to show you guys this too. Oh, hopefully you can see that there. Even being wet, you still can catch a flame to it. Doesn't help, every time I do it, it starts raining. And now it comes again. It's alright. You guys, we were planning on leaving, so getting all the food stuff back out. Starting to snow. And it got really dark. So, yeah. See how this turns out. So show you guys this while I got it out. That's the Tom shoe, and that came in one of my pots and pans that I got. I actually really like that. It's not bad for what it is. I didn't think I'd like them, but they're good to have in a pinch. But man, so we went from rain to, you really can't see how hard it's snowing on this thing, but we went from rain to snow, which I'm happy about. You can't really see it like that either, but I'll come back out here in a little bit. Now I'm really excited.